In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a feature request board in ClickUp. Start by opening ClickUp and creating a dedicated place for your ideas. You can spin up a brand new space or use one you already have. Give it a clear name like feature requests so everyone knows what it's for, and feel free to pick a color and icon to make it easy to spot in your workspace. Inside that space, create a new list and call it feature requests board. A short description like track and vote on new feature ideas sets expectations for your team and keeps the purpose front and center. Next, set up the workflow you want to follow. Open the list, go to list settings, then statuses, and add stages that match your process. A simple, effective lineup is new request, under review, planned, in progress, and completed. Keep names short and unambiguous so anyone can scan the board and instantly understand where each idea stands. Before you add requests, create the key custom fields you'll use to evaluate them. In list settings, go to custom fields and add priority as a drop-down with low, medium, and high. Add a submitted by field to capture who suggested the idea, and a votes field as a number so you can track interest. These fields help you compare ideas consistently and avoid decision making in the dark. By the way, if you don't have ClickUp yet, I've placed a link at the top of the description so you can sign up on the website or download the app. It's the easiest way to follow along. Now start adding feature requests. Click to create a task for each idea, give it a concise title, and write a clear description that explains the problem, who it helps, and the impact. Fill in your custom fields, choose a priority, and set the status to reflect where it sits in your process. If you want to gather team input quickly, open a task, click the More menu, and enable voting. This lets your team upvote ideas so the most impactful requests naturally flow to the top. Switch your list to a board view by adding a new view and choosing board. Group by status to visualize your workflow. When you need focus, filter or sort by votes or priority to highlight what matters most during planning sessions. Finally, share your board. Click share to copy a link or invite team members directly. Decide whether they should view only or have permission to edit, depending on how tightly you want to control changes. That's your feature request board ready to go. Keep it updated, review it regularly, and you'll turn feedback into a steady pipeline of high-impact improvements. Thanks for watching.